As with most of my work, the bauble is made using the slip casting technique, where I take a plaster mould, put it together with bands to stop the slip from pouring out, and cast using fine bone china. The slip is poured in and I time 6 minutes. In this time, the porous plaster is absorbing the moisture out of the clay, and after 6 minutes I can then pour the slip back out of the mould. So the bauble stays inside the mould for about 2 to 3 hours. After that time, it should be hard enough then for me to take the bauble out of the mould. The bauble then needs cleaned up. I do this using a sharp knife, taking away the casting seams, and then a damp sponge to clean up any marks left on the bauble. We're now ready for the decoration, so I just do a hand painted design straight onto the greenware bauble using different brush strokes and different patterns for each piece. The bauble is then ready to be fired. It goes through the bisque firing first, which turns it from clay to ceramic. After the bisque firing, the bauble is then glazed with a transparent glaze and goes back in for a higher firing. The pieces are then ready for their gold lustre and a little ribbon to finish off.